All right, now let's look at example 2. Example 2, the verb, the doing word is to simplify. Simplify means look at your fractions and keep dividing top and bottom until there's no more common factors. So for part A, we want to simplify 12 over 20. So first think, what's a common factor between 12 and 20? If you can think of the highest common factor, that will definitely make your work much easier because you can save less lines of working. But if you can't think of the highest common factor between 12 and 20, just think, well, they're both even at the very least, so I can divide top and bottom by 2. So make sure you do show me working that you're dividing top and bottom by 2 by writing dividing by 2 on the top and bottom with a smaller set of size, right? Next line equals underneath. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And you ask yourself, can I further simplify 6 and 10? Are there any more common factors between 6 and 10? Again, they're both even, so technically I can divide top and bottom by 2, so I get 3 out of 5. Are there any more common factors between 3 and 5? Well, no, because 3 and 5 are both prime numbers. Alternatively, you could have just done it in one step because you would have said, well, I know the highest common factor between 12 and 20 is 4. So you could have just divided top and bottom by 4, showing you're working. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And you get the same answer, 3/5, as the final simplified answer. So again, it's easier. It would be easier if you could see what the highest common factor is. But if you can't see it, that's okay. Just work with any common factor that you know between the two numbers, top and bottom. Let's do another one. Let's simplify 7 over 42. Again, have a think about what are the common factors between 7 and 42. 7, because 7 goes into 42 6 times. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 42 divided by 7 is 6. So your simplified fraction is 1/6. So you need to make sure you show the working divide by 7 on top and the bottom. So I need to see it twice because you're dividing by top and you're dividing by bottom. Otherwise it doesn't make sense. And you need to write the divide by 7 smaller size than the fraction itself. Okay? Show the working, otherwise you won't get the marks.